Hey guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. This will be a quick one. It's, I suppose, a little bit of an update and also a slight product review, and just to give you a bit of information what we've been using and what we might be changing to, letting you know where it's at. So basically, the deal is for years and years we've been using the Molycote. What do we use it on? We use it on basically all O-rings. So particularly the most of it we would probably use on injector O-rings, the injectors, you know, the four O-rings on the four injectors, on your MAF sensor, on your airbox when you clean that. I don't put it on the O-ring, I put it on the hole in the airbox so you don't mess up the MAF sensor. Just allows it to slip in easy, because we've seen a lot of vehicles where people have damaged those O-rings. On all the fuel filters on the O-rings, it's a lot cleaner than getting messy with some other products, and it's just the reason we like it. I'll tell you, it's a rip-off thing, I'm going to get to that, but it's in a tube, it's so easy to use, gentle squeeze a little bit. This should last you a lifetime. But anyway, as you know, it's hard to buy, it's not in Repco, it's not in Burson's, it's a bit hard to buy. People go on eBay. Here's an example here, if you can see that, I'll just bring it up, but look, I can tell you it's $34.95 plus $12.95 shipping. Look, don't get ripped off on it. Look, that's 150 gram. Maybe that's why it's a bit dearer. What's this one? I think this one's only about 100 gram. Where is it? Trying to find it. Oh, it's probably on the bottom where I folded it up. Hang on, let's have a look at the box. We've got a box here. Box. Can I read? Can you read? You seen it yet or what? They don't even tell you. Oh, there it is. 100 grams. All right, so 100 grams. 100 grams it is. Basically, it's a rip-off, okay? So it is a little rip-off product. You can obviously get it a bit cheaper than that, but it's quite expensive. Costs us around the 25 to 30 bucks a tube. We buy, well, the other day, sort of 4 boxes of it, so 40 tubes. There's about 1,000 bucks worth of Molycote there, right? So because it's included in our injector kits, we can include it in any other kit as well. If you don't need it, make sure you tell us you don't need it. I've also got a few slight complaints that we're not leaving enough contact details or haven't explained things properly. You know, you can't keep everyone happy, but I'm going to try and tell you. In a lot of videos, we used to leave information like this. We've left the phone number. There it is there, okay? Now, we don't have a website. I've said it before, we don't have a website. So people say, you know, you mention in your videos about parts and that here and there. It's not a big push to parts business. It's there if you need it. It's for people that ask for it, they want it. They want to make sure they get the brand new, genuine, fresh stock, the whole kit, all 20 components, all from one supplier with the best customer service on the planet. So if that's you, there's no website, there's no email, it's too hard. One-man band here, I'm doing it all. You deal with me, you speak to me, I pack it, I send it, I source the parts, I fix the cars, I do everything. So the way we do it is phone number, okay? Now, the phone doesn't ring, I've said it before, it doesn't ring. You need to send a text message with your name, your vehicle details, where you are, what it's regarding. Anytime you want to contact me, and I'll prioritize contacting you. It may be a text back, it may be a call, this, that. Now, once you're a client, you will get stored in the phone and that number will ring. Now, of course, if it's during our normal operating hours, it will usually get an answer or a call back very swiftly. That's what I said, customer service, the best you'll find on the planet. But so I just wanted to say, no website, no email, really, it just gets confusing. We're going to lose it in the email. It's all right here. Okay, now these are your main groups and pages. I've said it before in other videos. If you don't know about this, it's because you haven't watched the other videos. We've put this in heaps of videos, okay? So let's get out of the picture, because it's not about that. It's about the Molycote. I just wanted to add that in there as well. Contact details, phone number. What kits do we do? Yeah, you know, the injector kit, the big front engine kit, the water pump timing belt, all that sort of thing. The Prado and Hilux front wheel bearing assemblies ready to bolt on. Dobinson suspension. The suction control valve was the smallest thing we'll send. All the other small bits and pieces can be included in our major kits. Unfortunately, I can't send out, you know, little things like, you know, a replacement map filter today and an old diff plug, you know, replacement diff plug. Be flat out packing and sending things. That's not the main core of the business. So just trying to help you out with those major kits. We can put all those, you can say, hey, you got one of these, you got one of those. We can put it in there with these other items. Okay, so what I really want to tell you about is don't get ripped off on the Molycote. We include it in our injector kit at cost price. You don't have to use this product. If you've got something similar at home, it's kind of like Vaseline. You know, this is made by Dow Corning, right? So I think we're paying a premium for, didn't they get sued or something? The boob implants that leaked or something like that. So we're probably paying for it now. So it's been recommended to me to try another product, and that's the Rocoal. Apparently they've been around a long time. I haven't used it yet. This is a test tube. I am going to use this and compare it to the Molycote, and if all goes to plan, it's going to cost a little bit less as well, so it should be sub 20 bucks, and it's a little bit bigger. I think it was there you go, 120 grams, right? So we're just going to hopefully increase the value for money. Not that we need the extra 20 grams, but if it saves a few bucks and we get a little bit more, and we're not paying for a company that got sued because they made a mistake, even better. So love the Molycote, I've got to say. Used it for years, like I said, all O-rings and stuff like that. Anytime you need to lubricate something like that, it's the stuff. I like it. I'm just letting you know, if you buy an injector kit, and this, I'm letting you now in advance, if this stops turning up and this starts turning up in there, that's because obviously I've tested it. I find it just as good or the same. I just want to give you one tip. It does say on the back here, not suitable for use with, like on brake parts. This isn't a rubber grease, okay? Now for rubber grease to rebuild brake caliper parts, this is off topic, but you need to use not the tub of rubber grease either. I just want to be clear as soon as we've mentioned it, okay? This is rubber grease, okay? This is rubber grease for lubricating rubbers like suspension components. You don't use that on brake parts either. No. People have made that mistake, right? You need to use rubber grease like PBR rubber grease. I'll quickly go grab a tube. Hang on a sec. We don't rebuild brake parts, so a little bit further away, don't do brakes in oil, used to. There it is. That's your PBR rubber grease. That's what you use if you're rebuilding brake calipers and stuff like that, okay? So lots of different products for different jobs. This stuff, let's just get that out of the picture so it's not confusing. I just wanted to be clear. Don't use this stuff on any brake parts. That's not what it's for. A little bit extra information for you. It should do every other O-ring in the job the same as each other. You got the info, you got the phone number. You should be on these pages. You can't get into VIPs until you've purchased your parts kits. That's got the videos that show you how to do the job, how to get it right the first time and dodge those pitfalls. And our other pages, obviously the Proto Hospital, Proto Hilux, 1KDF2 injectors, and these other few groups. We've got some other groups as well. As I've mentioned before, I'm going to keep it short. We're already yak 7 minutes. Watch the other videos. The info's there. Watch till the end. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.